Imagine descending into a place where sunlight completely disappears, the temperature drops close to freezing, and the pressure is so powerful that an ordinary human being would be crushed within seconds. This is not another planet. This is the Mariana Trench, the deepest known part of Earth's oceans. Located in the western Pacific Ocean, near the Mariana Islands, the trench stretches for more than 1,500 miles. But its most incredible feature is its depth. At its deepest point, known as Challenger Deep, the ocean floor is almost 11 kilometers below the surface. To understand just how deep that is, imagine placing Mount Everest at the bottom of the trench. Its peak would still be covered by more than a mile of water. But what happens when you travel this deep? The first thing that disappears is sunlight. As you descend through the ocean, sunlight becomes weaker and weaker. Eventually, you enter a zone called the midnight zone, where natural sunlight cannot reach. And then there is the pressure. At Challenger Deep, the pressure is more than 1,000 times greater than the pressure we experience at sea level. A human body simply cannot survive there without a specially designed vehicle. That is why exploring the Mariana Trench is one of the greatest challenges in ocean science. In 1960, two explorers, Jacques Picard and Don Walsh, became the first humans to reach Challenger Deep in the Bathyscaphe Trieste. Their journey took hours. They descended into complete darkness, surrounded by an enormous amount of water pressing down on their tiny vessel. For decades, almost nobody could return to that extreme environment. But modern technology changed everything. Today, specially designed submersibles and remotely operated vehicles can travel into the deepest parts of the ocean and send cameras, measurements, and samples back to scientists. And what they discovered was surprising. Even in this extreme environment, life exists. Scientists have found strange-looking creatures adapted to darkness and enormous pressure. Some fish have unusual bodies and enormous mouths. Some animals produce their own light through bioluminescence. Tiny organisms live in the sediment covering the ocean floor. But the deeper we explore, the more mysterious the environment becomes. One of the biggest surprises is that the Mariana Trench is not completely lifeless or isolated. Scientists have discovered microorganisms living under conditions that were once thought almost impossible. These organisms survive without sunlight and can obtain energy through chemical processes. And there is another mystery. The deepest parts of the ocean remain incredibly difficult to explore. We have detailed maps of parts of Mars and the Moon, yet huge areas of our own ocean floor are still poorly understood. Every expedition can reveal something unexpected. Scientists have discovered unusual geological formations, strange organisms, and evidence of chemical processes happening far below the surface. The trench was created by a geological process called subduction. Here, one tectonic plate is forced beneath another and slowly sinks into Earth's interior. Over millions of years, this enormous movement helped create the deep canyon we see today. But the Mariana Trench is more than just a record-breaking hole in the ocean. It is a reminder of how little we still know about our own planet. The deeper we go, the stranger the environment becomes. There may be species we have never seen, microorganisms with completely unknown abilities, and geological secrets waiting to be discovered. And perhaps the most fascinating question is not how deep the Mariana Trench is, but how much of it we still haven't seen. The ocean covers most of our planet, yet humanity has explored only a fraction of its deepest regions. So, thousands of meters beneath the Pacific Ocean, in absolute darkness and crushing pressure, the Mariana Trench continues to hide its secrets. And every time scientists send a machine into that darkness, they may discover something that changes what we thought we knew about life on Earth. If you enjoyed this mystery, subscribe to Rayazora Info for more unexplained places, incredible mysteries, and fascinating stories from around the world.